In question 10, a compound microscope is given. What should be the separation between lens so that the microscope projects inverted real image? Solution 10. So FO 1 centimeter, FE 5 centimeter, UO 0.5 centimeter, VE 30 centimeter. 1 by VO minus 1 by UO equal to 1 by FO. So VO will come out to be minus 1 centimeter. 1 by VO minus 1 by UO equal to 1 by FO. Now UO will come out to be minus 6 centimeter. So this is for eyepiece. So ultimately separation of lenses will be UE minus VO, which will be 6 minus 1, 5 centimeter. In question 11, optical instrument used for angular magnification has some power. Now whether it is a microscope or telescope, and what is the angular magnification produced? Solution 11. So focal length can be obtained by 1 by P formula, 0.04 meters, 4 centimeters. Similarly, FE will be 5 centimeter. Tube length 25 centimeter in normal adjustment. A part. So instrument must be microscope because eye lens has more focal length. And final image will be formed at infinity. So in this case, image for objective VO will be 25 minus 5, 20 centimeter. So by lens formula, UO will be 1 by 20 minus 1 by 4. UO will come out to be minus 5 centimeters. Angular magnification minus V over UO D over F. Remember, D is 25 centimeter. Minus 20 minus 5, 25 by 5, 20 will be the magnification. In 12, astronomical telescope is given. If length is 102 centimeter for tube, find the power of objective and eyepiece. Solution 12. So M FO by FE 50, FO equal to 50 FE, FO plus FE 102 centimeter, FO plus FE equal to 102, 51 FE equal to 102, F equal to 2 centimeter, 0.02 meter, FO equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter. Power 1 diopter, and here 50 diopter. In question 13, eyepiece of an astronomical telescope has some focal length. Find the focal length of the objective and the magnifying power of the telescope. Solution 13. FE 10 centimeter, length 100 meters, 100 centimeter or 1 meter. FO will be L minus Fe 90 centimeter. So magnifying power will be 90 by 10, 9. In question 14, a Galilean telescope is given. If objective has focal length 30 centimeter, what is the focal length of eyepiece? So this is solution 14. So F naught and L. So length will be FO minus FE. FE will be FO minus L. 30 minus 27, 3 centimeter. In question 16, a neighborhood person cannot clearly see beyond 200 centimeter. Find the power of lens needed. So this is solution 16. U equal to infinity, V equal to minus 200 centimeter or minus 2 meters. So 1 by F equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. F will come out to be 1 by F will come out to be minus 0.5. So power is 1 by F, which is minus 0.5 diopter. In question 15, a far-sighted person cannot see closer to 50 centimeter. Find the power of lens. Solution 15. So 1 by F will be 1 by minus 50 minus minus 20, 1 by 20 minus 1 by 50. So focal length will be 100 by 3 centimeter and power will be 3 by 100, or in meters it will be 3 diopters. So it is 1 by 3 meters. In question 17, a person has 2.5 diopter minus 2.5 diopter glass. What is the far point of person without glass? Solution 17. U is equal to infinity. V is the far point that we need to find. F is 1 by minus 2.5 diopter, 0.4 meter or minus 40 centimeter. By U plus 1 by F. 0 plus 1 by minus 40 centimeter. In question 18, a professor reads greeting card received on his 50th birthday with plus 2.5 diopter glass. What power of the lens should be used in the situation afterwards? Solution 18. So here 1 by V minus 1 by U, 1 by F, 1 by V equal to 1 by U plus 1 by F, 1 by minus 50 plus 1 by 40, 1 by 200. So V will be 200 centimeters. And after that U will be minus 25 centimeter. So 1 by F equal to 1 by 200 minus 25. From here 1 by F will come out to be 4.5. So power will be 4.5 diopter. In question 19, a normal eye has retina 2 centimeter behind eye lens. What is power of eye lens? Solution 19. So A part. Remember V is 2 centimeters. So the A part is U equal to infinity, V equal to 2 centimeter or 0.02 meters. 1 by f equal to 1 by 0.02 minus 1 by infinity, which will give us 50 diopters. U equal to minus 25 centimeter minus 0.25 meter, V equal to 0.02 meters. So 1 by f equal to 54 diopters. This will be the power. In question 20, near point and far point of child are given. What is the range of the power of eye lens? Solution 20. So in this scenario, for near one, we have this situation which will give us 60 diopter, and for far point we have this situation which will give us around 51 diopters. So range is from 51 to 60. In question 21, nearsighted person is there. Find the power of lens. Solution 21. So 1 by f, 1 by v minus 1 by u, 1 over minus 0.24 minus 1 over infinity. 1 by f will be minus 4.2 diopter. In question 22, a person has near point 100 centimeter. What power of lens is needed? Solution 22. A part. So 1 by f for power will be 1 minus 0.24 diopters. Situation B. So power will come out to be 4.5 diopter here. In 23, a lady is there. Find the maximum magnifying power if she uses microscope together and without the glass. Solution 23. So with glass we will have focal length of glass to be 1 by 1.5 meters or 100 by 1.5 centimeters, and without glass u minus 25 centimeter, f is 100 by 1.5 centimeter. So 1 by v minus 1 by u. So v will come out to be minus 40 centimeter without glass. Focal length of magnifying glass 1 by 20 meters, 5 centimeters. So A part, with glass what will happen? With glass what will happen? So it will be 1 plus d by f, 6, and without glass 1 plus d by f, it will be 9. In question 24, a lady is there. Which glass should she use as eyepiece and what magnifying magnification can she get? Answer 24. For astronomical telescope should have similar eyepiece, should have a smaller focal length, so it should be f equal to 100 by 3 centimeter as eyepiece length, and with relaxed eye it will be f naught 200 by 3 fe 100 by 3 magnification fo by fe 200 by 3 100 by 3, which will be 2.